So I'm biking. I'm on a hunt for that chicken. So I'm gonna hunt down Fredrikstad and figure out how am I gonna get deep fried chicken. So I've decided to put some practicalities into place, and I'm at the supermarket. And I am gonna be making my own goddamn deep fried chicken. So let the ingredients start. So there's usually this full chicken that they sell that I just grab from the shelf. Please allow me to be great, because it seems like I can't find this chicken. Oh, did I find it? Yes, I can be great. I can be great, but so I found me my full-size chicken, which I will be taking home and then deep frying it. I'm riding back. This chicken will allow me to be great whether it wants to or not. Got my stuff. I'm gonna make some deep fried chicken, y'all. I'm ready to start the process. I have my southern coating, although I put it in the packaging. I have Portuguese chicken, I've got paprika, and then I've got Robinson's chicken spice. So this is my remedy. And of course, I have flour and the chicken. Let the grilling begin. So this chicken is about to go into the oil. We're doing this. Final results, homemade deep fried chicken, babe. Who needs KFC? Who needs KFC? Woo! Ho hop! That's good. My own homemade KFC. So hot. And final results. Deep fried chicken, y'all. Who needs fucking KFC?